put Walker down for a nap. Brent is in the house, so if for some reason he does wake up early, then he is there. This is my sewing machine. I got it in 2014. It is a sewing machine and embroidery machine combined. This is the arm that does all the fancy designs. So this is the design that I'm going to be doing. There we go. So now it is ready for me to just put this hoop on here and kind of start doing its thing. Apparently Sama's favorite color is pink. So I'm thinking a light pink eye. Actually maybe a dark pink eye because the nose will be black. So let's do a light pink eye. These are the two colors. I think I want to go with this one. I love doing it all. I am the person that will spend $100 on supplies to just save $20 instead of buying it. That's just, it's just how I am. Okay. But I could be, another one of my crafts, doing cups for the store. I do need to buy a new mixer because mine turned yellow, unfortunately, before I start those again. But I do have some that I have done. Okay, we are done. My camera died while I was finishing up the sewing, so you don't get to see how I finished it. I went down to the store and got Sama a Hoffman Lake Campground sweatshirt as well. I told my sister-in-law that I was going to get Sama a really big gift, so big that she couldn't carry it, only because Lindsay said that she didn't want Sama to get a bunch of gifts, so kind of went against that. I found the biggest box that I have, and it was actually the Costco box that I just got because I was saving them. I feel like this is good size. Bad one?
Yes!
There's a bad trash truck?
No, the bad turn on the bad movie.
Oh, okay. So for this to grow with Sama, I decided to go with a bath sheet, just so that she doesn't really grow out of the size of the towel, and she can use it longer. Go. And I got a ribbon. That is how it turned out. Super cute. I used to make a lot of hooded towels. So I got really good at tying bows. Also got just a couple of dresses under $10. This one was $6, yeah, $6. This candy, I got all the pink candy that we had in the store. So that is just some extra stuff for her. I got stickers, like chapstick, lip gloss kind of stuff. And then some crafts for her to hang on her windows at the house. So there's a rainbow one, and then some paints to go with it, and then the things to hang them. Okay, this is a painted rock for our snake rock garden. This is the head of our snake, and her name is Raquel. So I'm gonna put it in here. I mean, it's a good 10, 15 pounds, maybe. So I think it'll definitely work. Ah! Oh, it's too big, baby. Too big. I think the rock will be enough. Okay.
What's inside it? What's inside it?
Okay. So I did not think about how much wrapping paper this would need. I'm just gonna make sure that this side is showing because it's the, would you get down? Get down, turkey. No, come here, come here. Come here, I hold you. Oh. But it's done. We're all good now. Yes, give me a second, bud. Okay, so for my other niece, Samantha, she is turning 15, I believe, on Friday or Saturday. She's having a party on Friday, but unfortunately I have already committed to another niece's sectional basketball game. So
what is this?
I took a shirt out of the store again.
Who's washing this?
And okay. And I'm going to add it to her little basket that I made her. And I'm adding it to her bucket. I got a little gold bucket with some gum, sticky notes, a birthday cake flavored chapstick, and 3 different pins that were actually on sale. Do you want to sit right here, baby? You stink. We need to change your diaper. There. My favorite Bible journaling pens I have here, or markers, are the Tombow Water Base, the Zebra Midline Dual End. Both of these are dual end pens. Yes, bud. No, you don't touch. And then the Papermate Flare Mediums. We do a Bible study on Wednesday nights. She comes and I've noticed that she's using markers and stuff, so I figured this would be a great gift for her. And they were all on sale except for the sticky notes and the gum. Stop. Try and shove this. Let's do this. A scripture mud love bracelet. Here we go. I don't need it in here. Thank you. You know what? We'll just stick them on top. Thank you. Okay. And then oh, you helping? Thank you, baby. There we go.